Hello guys, welcome to Tuesday in Maxi's kitchen today. You are gonna bake blueberry mini muffins with my 2-year-old son. He is going through the whole recipe, so sit tight and enjoy the next few minutes of his baking.
All the stuff. X 1 2. Mix it. Olive oil. Mashed banana.
I bet you think that I should calm down.
Done.
And that I'm overthinking.
And we need the flour.
And that we're
Wow.
what we are.
Baking powder.
But I don't know that much about you. What things you
Dirt. Cinnamon.
not that long since I met you for the first time. You know we should work it out. You know we should
A ginger.
out. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? I know I'm feeling something for you. The way you look, the way you laugh, and how you move. It kinda makes me go crazy.
Quick oats.
But we should take it slow, work things out so you don't let me go.
Coconut sugar.
I don't wanna get hurt, 'cause I'm not ready to give you my heart yet. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? Before I'm too invested, you should take it easy. Maybe we could test this and work out our feelings. Baby, will I love
Blueberry.
you? You want me? And will you let me down?
And mix the blueberry.
La 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 la.
Splash. 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 Splash.
Invested, I should probably ask you all my questions.
We are done.
Get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? Before I'm too invested, you should take
is a spider.
Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back, I want you, hit you up, I'm on the other side, I miss you, take you off.
Have a spoon and jump it.
Got me drugged, your pheromones hit the roof, bottle your taste. It's really a bad reception out there, where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. Found myself in between the lines, underneath your bed sheets. It started fun, but now I'm into
We almost done.
a zero-sum game that I will lose. There's no zipping past it. Every time you walk.
If you have got until here, thank you. Please hit the like button for him, and if you are not already, please subscribe to our channel. We would love to have you on board and see you around here more often, or even every now and then.
I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. I'm like an outcast from pillar to post. There's no denial, I'm chasing ghosts. I'm like an outcast from pillar to post, hitting you up but I'm stuck on hold. It's really a bad reception out there, where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? Yeah, I lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, yeah, I lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. I've lost you, I've lost you, I keep on looking for you.
And this one. Yum yum.
Look forward to the next recipe next Tuesday. Bye!
Other.